Okay, I'm here with Katrina at Coverings, and Katrina, you're with who?
Italian Marble and Granite in Buffalo, New York.
Ah, and now you are one of the few women that I've seen that was willing to come on camera and say that you template all day, right? That's what you do.
Yeah, for the most part, yes.
And how many templates do you do a day?
I can do about 8 kitchens a day.
8 kitchens a day?
Yes,
Wow.
if they're in the same geographic location.
Yeah, and how big is the average kitchen in terms of square feet?
I would say about 80 square feet.
So you're doing 6 to 8, 80 square.
Yeah, if I'm like, if I'm like in a development, I can get through like a whole development pretty quickly.
Now, are you finishing the file, doing the overhangs and dropping the sink in also?
So in our company, I do all the measurements. I go out there and I do all the shooting. I do all the overhangs. I'll do consultation with the customers on design. So that's what's nice about the program is I'm able to design islands and do different radius work right with the customer right there.
Good.
I'll do all of that, and then the sink drop-ins, we do that during our layout process that we use the Slabsmith.
Ah, good.
Yes.
Do you like Slabsmith?
I do, yeah. It does a great job. We've done amazing mitered work with it, and it works really well.
Good. So, what do you think of the laser?
I love the laser, and I love this laser.
The 2D, 3D, so we should put that on the screen, I guess. So how long you been using it?
We got the 2D, 3D, I think right when it came out with you guys. We had the generation before that, and I hated going out into the field and having to measure tub decks. Like, I just wanted to stop selling them. This thing's amazing. I can go in there, I can shoot all the walls, I can get all the radiuses, I can do all of that. So it makes life a lot easier.
Good.
Yes.
And did you ever do any other kind of templating, like stick templating or measuring or
No,
whatever?
no.
So that's all you know.
This is all I know. The laser's all I know.
So is it okay for you with the wheels on and everything, and the tripod's lighter now than it used to be in the 2D?
Yeah. So I was using my old laser a couple weeks ago, and it was, it's different. It's bigger. The legs go out a lot wider, but this one is nice. It's pretty light. I can carry it easily, so it's not bad.
Good. All right. Anything you'd like to say to your competition out there about this? Don't buy it?
No, don't buy it.
Okay. All right, you heard it from Katrina Horup in Italian Marble and Granite in New York.
Yes.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.